Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two special codes from Dress and Press game of Roblox 2 years anniversary event. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the codes menu and I'm going to show you two special codes. Wait, let me enter the code. The first code is going to be the 2 years code. Wait, just type in 2 years like this, and then I'm going to click on redeem. Okay, and we will get this doll, and this doll has 3 different toggles. And let's move to the second code. I'm going to click on the codes again, and the second code is together like this, and I'm going to redeem it, and you will get this skirt. And yeah, that's so cool. Okay guys, and those are the codes I can redeem from Dress and Press 2 years anniversary event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.